smoothie. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my another video. You are watching my YouTube channel. Here with us Talha. Talha, how are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
And where you go today?
Today we go KFC but it's closed.
Oh.
Then we go McDonald's is also closed.
Oh.
We go after Domino's is also closed. Then now we come here in
Kudu.
Now check, maybe open. This one open, this one very cheap. That's why open.
अगले साल से प्राइम टाइम इंग्लिश में करने वाला हूँ. यस समझे, लेकिन मैं अंग्रेजी सीखूंगा कहाँ से?
Now we eat dal roti.
Alhamdulillah, khubsa.
Achha, khubsa. He eat khubsa. And
Ye khubsa.
he eat khubsa. What do you mean he eat khubsa?
Ma'am, I don't know. No, I need news, but I don't know. I see this.
You didn't eat khubsa?
Go inside.
Today now go inside. We check ice cream.
Wow! Very dangerous!
Now we take 2 ice creams. How is the taste, Talha bhai?
Very good.
Oh my God! Wow!
Nice vanilla ice cream. Very nice taste. Very smoothie.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ.
Now guys, during eating ice cream, start Salat al-Jum'ah. Now we are finished ice cream. How was the ice cream, Talha bhai?
Nice.
Delicious. Nice. And it's very cheap, only 3 riyal. Huh?
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
And very tasty ice cream. Now we are going to plant, and we hope you like our video. If you like, subscribe.
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए. 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए.
Do not comment. Why? Yeah, because Talha also comment there. Talha, what you comment today on this video?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
What is this behavior? You don't know how to talk in video.
Okay. Goodbye, guys. Because Talha is now very hungry.
अरे भाई हो गया, चलिए बहुत है यार.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.